Why is coaching essential for your competitive exam preparation?
Coaching is very essential for your competitive exam preparation because of its structured curriculum. Coaching institutes offer a comprehensive, well-structured syllabus that ensures thorough coverage of all topics. Experienced faculty, expert teachers provide valuable insights and simplify complex concepts. Regular practice and mock tests, frequent practice papers and mock tests help students manage time effectively and reduce exam anxiety. Personalized attention, institutes provide personalized doubt-clearing sessions to address individual weaknesses. Competitive environment, a competitive atmosphere motivates students to perform better. Time management, coaching teaches students to balance school studies and exam preparation efficiently. Study materials, high-quality, expert-curated study materials are provided. Updated exam strategies, institutes stay updated with the latest exam patterns and syllabus changes, ensuring students are well prepared. Motivation and guidance, regular motivational sessions and guidance keep students focused and determined. Doubt resolution, regular sessions ensure prompt resolution of queries, maintaining clear understanding. Performance tracking, continuous assessments and feedback help identify strengths and weaknesses for focused improvement. Peer learning, interaction with fellow aspirants fosters knowledge sharing and collaborative learning. By leveraging these strengths, AICE maximizes a student's potential for success in JEE, NEET and other competitive exams. Enroll now for a free demo class.